Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix, but you already knew that. You're not a bunch of dummies. I just wanted to announce that we finally broke 3,000 on the subscribers. That was a big milestone for me. And this channel is your channel, guys. Without you, I could not have this channel. And I really, really appreciate your support and dedication and hanging in there with the videos. I'm sorry I haven't been doing stuff for a while. I got really badly hurt, but that's a story for a later date. If you're new, please give a like and subscribe. It shows YouTube somebody's watching. There's an algorithm. If you don't get likes and subscribes, you just get buried into the netherworld of hell, I guess. So, thanks again, guys. We did it, and I hope we continue to grow. I hooked up with a seller that's sending me some products that I'm going to be installing on my neighbor's car. So he's getting free materials for his car, free labor from me. I'm getting to do a video, and you guys are going to get to see how to do this hood lift installation and get links for good prices, for good parts. If I do get things like this that I'm being sponsored by, I am not going to give a review that says it's good if it's garbage. If somebody sends me something that's inferior, I am going to give an honest review. You got my word on that. I'm not going to sell out. So I'm hoping that we're going to continue to keep expanding this channel. One thing I would ask that you guys would start coming over to Art Fancy Imaging. It's Art Fancy, one word, Imaging on YouTube, and it's at Art Fancy Imaging on Instagram and Facebook. The pages aren't built up yet. There's a lot of work and time that goes into building a YouTube channel and all the social media. So please have a little patience. But if you could direct your traffic over there, I would kiss your ass in Macy's window on Thanksgiving Eve. I'm kidding, guys. I would really appreciate the traffic. Wendy has been a tremendous supporter of this channel, and Wendy would greatly appreciate your support of her channel, Art Fancy Imaging. Is that right, Wendy?
That's right. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
And she's whispering. She's shy. She doesn't like to get on the camera. But Wendy is fantastic. She's one of the most beautiful people I have ever met in my life, and I love her very much. She is my best friend and my soulmate. So I'm just going to do a little clip here of showing you a new rig I set up. I have been investing on equipment. Wendy's been helping out tremendously with that as well. It costs a lot of money to make good quality videos. I'm going to start planning out my shots better now, taking my time and using better equipment. The GoPros with their warped lenses ain't cutting it for me, so we're going to go 4K on everything from here on out. And before you go, just hang out. Let me show you my video rig that I set up. And I'll also try to show you the B camera. And I will be working with the GoPros as well, but the ones that shoot in 4K. So I'm going to be doing a list on the build that I did with my camera, with links, with all the equipment that's on there, the plugs, etc. Building this stuff has been a learning experience for me. I had to figure out so many different plugs and like these mini XLR plugs for the sound. I have a Blackmagic Design Video Assist 12G. I'm going to be showing you that. That's excellent. That shoots in Blackmagic RAW. So we're going to get real high quality definition on stuff. And if you're a color gradist out there, please be patient with me. I'm learning. I'm learning DaVinci Resolve Studio 18 as I go, and I'm working on the color grading now. And I really would like to get into the Fusion page because you can do all kinds of wild stuff on there. And maybe I can make my head explode for you down the road. Some of you might like seeing that. I know Wendy would like to see that, right? So hang out, hang in there, and I'm going to show you this camera and let you check it out. What I did to save some money is I bought a Sigma adapter. I'm shooting with EF and EFS camera, Canon lenses on my Lumix, which is a L mount, but you can buy the Sigma adapter and fit EF and EFS Canon lenses on there as well. So they seem to be working out pretty well. This one is a 10 to 22 millimeter, I think. Let me look, sorry. I'm shot, I can't remember anything. Yeah, it's a 10 to 22 mil, so nice wide angle. I'm going to be using that for some architectural shooting and outdoors nature scenes and whatnot. Got to get out at the golden hour, sunrise and sunset, and get some good light and shadow effects. And we're going to get into doing the photography and videography, guys, and I hope you'll come along and join us, and we can all learn together. I've been studying my ass off. Wendy is starting to take notes and learning as well. And this YouTube thing has opened a new passion for me. I really enjoy making these videos. And whenever I get a comment from one of you guys thanking me or asking me for information, that really makes my day. So if you ever want to comment, guys, I really do my utmost to respond to anybody that writes. So let me shut up now and show you this camera rig.